So, bucket list moment. Here at Baltimore City Engine 45, for their 70th anniversary, there's a train garden for Christmas. This is something huge for me. I've been wanting to do this since I was a kid. Obsessed with trains. Anybody that knows me knows that. Plus, I was in the fire department. Baltimore County, but not, whatever it is, what it is on that note. But, to finally get a chance to see this. Yeah, I know. Is that like a wreck supposed to be set up over there in the corner of that?
Looks like it.
That's so cool. That's so cool. I love this. Oh, and 45 just got back. Nothing beats that. You gotta love that back. The engine's back while we're doing this. This is awesome. I didn't even see that one. Cable car. Looks like the Griswold's house in Christmas Vacation. Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. And of course, K-pop Demon Hunters. What else is new? Oh no. No. You don't get to go anywhere without me following you a little bit. The Polar Express, they have that. You're bleeping me, bro. Is that? They have the Polar Express. That's what that is. Battleship in dry dock. Look over my shoulder. Follow my finger. Cool. Look at this. I'm trying to see. I can't tell what ladder truck collectible that is. Oh, cool, they have one of them over there, too. I haven't said anything in 10 minutes because I don't know what to say. And of course, like, they have signs up and everything that, say don't touch the trains. And of course, I'm not that silly. This is something special. I've been doing this now this is their 70th anniversary, so like, 70 years of doing this. I think this is the oldest train garden. This is the oldest train garden.
Huh?
This is the oldest train garden in Baltimore, right?
I think.
As far as I know, because this is their 70th year. I'm not taking pictures, I'm making a video. That's why I sound like I'm talking to myself. I think that's supposed to be the aquarium. That's our World Trade Center, I know that much. That's supposed to be the Inner Harbor. Which means that's not a battleship. I mean, it is a battleship. It's not supposed to be a battleship. That's supposed to be that Coast Guard cutter that they have downtown, because that's supposed to be like the Inner Harbor.
Yeah.
Of course, where are you going to find a model kit for a freaking Coast Guard cutter? I don't think they make those. Of course, and again, I could be wrong. This is so cool. Oh, the like that. Wow. That'll mess with your eyes. Yeah. They do have that sign. Oh, there's the submarine. Yeah, that's the aquarium. I was right. The only thing missing from the downtown area setup is a model of Camden Yards. I mean, because what? That's the aquarium. That's supposed to be the Coast Guard ship, even though it's a battleship, and the model kit's a battleship. That's the submarine. That's that Chesapeake ship. That's supposed to be the Constellation. That's the World Trade Center. Clock Tower. Look directly across from the step. The clock tower. This is so cool. Yeah, this definitely. This is worth the hype. Huh? It's worth the hype. Yeah, very. Little ski villa. Is that? It is. It's the Grinch. This is so worth the hype and worth the wait. Oh, they got a Smurfs. Little Smurfs thing. That's cool. That one's zooming. Little ski resort and villa. They take so much care to make this right, to make this as perfect as they can. And it's understandable. It's 70 years of magic. for lack of a better term. It's 70 years of magic. Little firehouse.
Yeah.
That's so cool. This is something special. Oh, the train car just bounces back and forth. Okay. I just realized that because being able to see it over here. This is super cool. Definitely steel. One of the big names in Baltimore. Oh my God! Well, thank you for pointing that out. As my dad points out something I completely missed, and I'm almost all the way through this thing. 35. I'm 35, and it's I'm half the age of the amount of time they've been doing this thing, and in that time span, I have wanted to come here. I don't know, hundreds of thousands of times, just because everybody always talks about it. I've always heard people talk about it. It has a legacy, really beautiful, wonderful legacy, and it's deserving, very deserving. And of course, they have the model of their firehouse. 45 engine. All lit up. The fire engine sitting outside. Ladder truck sitting on the side. Going to
You have to go the other way. You have to go the other way. You have to go around that way.
And one of the interesting things is 45 used to have a truck. There used to be truck 27, I think it was in there. It was truck 27 that was in here, right? Okay, yeah. Verify with my dad, because my dad would know. Yeah, so truck 27 used to be in here, and of course now they're in 46 engine quarters. Because new fire apparatus is huge, especially ladder trucks, and would not fit in this building. So this is, and of course they have the manger, Christmas tree. It's special. It is very special. And worth every second. If you're in the Baltimore area, haven't been here to do this, whether you celebrate Christmas or not.
Take you guys to put this together.
It doesn't totally come down, right? But they start working on it in September. Take some parts off and some parts in.
So, as I was saying, if you're in the Baltimore area and you've never been here, celebrate Christmas or not, come down here and see this. This is worth every second. And again, I'm sitting here, I've been yammering for doing this video now for 15 minutes, and I could sit here for 2 hours and feel like it wouldn't do justice. But this is special. Yeah, I saw. I zoomed in on that.
What is it?
Yeah. I think that's the die-cast that, Engine 24. But hey, they don't, the world doesn't have to know that. I mean, we know what it's supposed to be. But yeah, so that's the trip. This is worth the wait. Definitely, if you guys ever get a chance, do this. Definitely do this if you ever get a chance.